Hello Mom, this time we will learn about at-home remedies for lice removal. Treat the lice with essential oils. A number of essential oils have been shown to be effective along with combing and eliminating head lice. Before you use any essential oil, put a small drop on the back of your child's hand. It is pretty rare, but some kids have allergic reactions to these oils. Usually tea tree oil. If your child is allergic to one, move on to the next oil on the list. The oils that have shown effectiveness are tea tree oil, lavender oil, neem oil, clove oil, eucalyptus oil, aniseed oil, cinnamon leaf oil, red thyme oil, peppermint oil, and nutmeg oil. Mix 2 ounces of olive oil with 15 to 20 drops of the essential oil. Apply to the scalp using cotton balls. Leave this mixture on the scalp and hair overnight, at least 12 hours. Comb out and shampoo, rinse, and repeat. An alternative approach is to mix the 15 to 20 drops of essential oil and 4 ounces of rubbing alcohol. Place the mixture in a spray bottle and saturate the hair with it. Again, leave it on for at least 12 hours. Once the lice have been eliminated, the alcohol spray can be used as a preventive treatment. Remember, combing out the hair is absolutely essential to remove the lice. Thank you Mom for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.